My name is Annie Housel. I am a foster for Dallas Dog Rescue, Rehab, and Reform. We take in dogs that are many, many times last resort puppies. Dogs from the shelters, we get them from the side of the road. We get them in a bucket. Medical dogs, senior dogs, the ones in dire need. I don't do it alone. There are rescues out there that don't have the support to do what Dallas Dogger does, from administration to supplies to medical. If there is a need at 3 in the morning, I know I have backup. Puppies have to be seen sometimes immediately or they're not going to wait 3 hours. That's the support I get, and that's the support I'm not leaving. Our first time was a mama. I thought, how hard could it be? And this baby proceeded to have 13 with 12 surviving babies in a 12-hour period. There's only supposed to be 6. Zero knowledge of what I was doing, but everyone has to have a first time. So we took that first time, we just rolled with it, and we've been fostering ever since, and that's about 6 years ago. It's sleepless nights, it's a lot of alarm clocks. Sometimes we're feeding every hour. How many animals have come through here? Between 1 and 400. My husband thinks of it as algebra. We have 2 in, 4 out, 6 in, 12 left. Wait a minute, I don't recognize that puppy. Where did that one come from? Sometimes I remember to ask him. Yeah, sometimes I remember. Captain Kirk is a cerebellum hypoplasia puppy, which means his motor skills are a little cockeyed. He is just one of those vivacious little pups that will not get bigger than 20 pounds, but he's larger than life. He really is. He's such a great little boy. He doesn't know that he stumbles. He just gets right back up again. If you wanted to foster, or you were thinking about fostering, just say yes, just once. Because just once can mean just twice. Just yes can get you forever. Just yes is a big deal. Do you have bad days? Absolutely. Do you get frustrated? Absolutely. But bottom line, there's a whole lot of laughter and there's a whole lot of wins and there's a whole lot of support.